Renters' Rights Bill update. Significant amendments proposed by the Lords in the surprising and yet unexpected turn of events. The Lords have proposed some significant and probably no doubt controversial amendments to the Renters' Rights Bill following the reading on the 4th of February in the House of Lords debate. This bill could start to look much more similar to the Conservatives' Renters' Reform Bill, and it will be very interesting to see how this plays out at the committee stage. The date of this stage is to be announced. Here are some of the headlines. So, fixed-term tenancies of up to 12 months to be retained with the ability to agree extensions of the fixed term after 4 months of occupation. Small landlords, that's most of our landlords, those who let fewer than 5 properties, to continue to be able to issue a Section 21 no-fault eviction notice. That's really important. All possession grounds to be discretionary, no mandatory grounds. And tenants to give notice to quit not earlier than 4 months after the commencement of the tenancy, meaning a minimum tenancy of 6 months rather than the current suggested level of 2 months. The removal of Section 21 to be delayed until the Lord Chancellor has published an assessment of the operation of the possession process and the Secretary of State has been satisfied that the court surface has sufficient capacity. That's a big question at the moment. Amendment to be made to provide for a tenant to pay up to 12 months of rent in advance if mutually agreed with the landlord. Rent increases during the first 4 years of tenancies to be index linked to avoid the uncertainty of rents being determined at an unknown or even unaffordable market level, with limits on tenants' ability to challenge rent increases on this basis. There'll be new, again, these are all suggestions, new restrictions on the circumstances under which a landlord can request a guarantor for the tenancy. There's suggestions of new training and qualification requirements for estate agents. That's excellent news. The above points are just a few of the suggested amendments. And do remember, this has to go back to the House of Commons. So do watch this space for more renters' rights updates. Porters will keep you posted. Thank you for watching.